that someone had gravitated to was here on our front door. And one more example is that when I had my English class and I had two best teachers. One more thing is it's a very small detail. Whenever you see have, remember that we passed perfect. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm present perfect. I'm an English verb tense. I am used for past actions that are related to or continued that are present. For example, I have gone fishing since I was a child. And one more thing, if you see has or have in a sentence, remember that's me.
Hello everybody, I'm past simple. I'm a verb tense. I used to talk about things that haven't existed before now. Here's a simple example, just like my name. He wanted silver medal. Here's another example. I played football yesterday. Just in case you don't know, if you see verb plus ed, that's me. Don't forget about that.
And here, present simple. I'm a verb tense with two main uses. They use me when action is happening right now or when I have it regularly. For example, I feel great. He plays football. And one thing, if you see verb plus s, that is me. Present simple.
It was so